So what does that button do? That button meaning a pair of red buttons on the thrust levers of the Airbus flight deck, which, to be honest, I never look at, and it's a big red button. I'm talking about a button on my IAE equipped Airbus 321 aircraft. IAEs are my second favorite engine. They smell slow to start, but they're pretty powerful. Two terms real quick, EPR and EGT. Those are only used on the IAE engines. They're the buttons. These are the thrust bump buttons. If during the planning of the flight, the dispatcher realizes that we can't get off the ground safely with the normal procedures, they will authorize the use of the thrust bump button. It's only used in Phoenix, Reno, Las Vegas, or Denver on a really hot day under really specific situations. It does add extra thrust. I have never had a situation happen to me yet, nor has anyone I've ever flown with. Using the buttons, it does add considerable wear and tear to the engine and shorten its overall lifespan until it has to be overhauled again. So it's really a strategic, selection by the airline and the dispatch. But they're the buttons. Hope that answered your questions. For those that you were curious, I love my Airbus. Performance is something we have to deal with before every single flight. Every single flight is unique. My first landscape video on YouTube. Have a fabulous day, and thank you for stopping by. And please considering subscribing. I'll have more content going forward. Thank you.